Right guys, welcome to the first 2 Minute Tuesday. Today we're going to fit the Pop Top holding strut. That's the strut that holds the Pop Top up when you open it to go to sleep, to create room, etc. Sit back, I hope you enjoy, let's get started. Okay guys, so if you come to your Pop Top and it won't hold itself up, then if you get a partner or you prop it up yourself, you'll find, have a look around, you'll find that one of the struts has most likely leaked out its fluid, and in turn you can pretty much do this. So you shouldn't be able to do that. This is now a faulty component. So when you purchase the new ones, you'll notice they come like this. You won't be able to push them in, even leaning on it, they're very stiff. You'll notice they come, yours potentially could come with a ball end on like that, but you'll see here there's little clips, retaining clips, what stop this from coming off. So all you do is you roll that round, don't drop it one-handed, but it looks like that. See the two holes? Well, basically that bar pushes up through those holes like that, and then when it's locked in, that part there rotates over that, in turn holding this ball socket in, not letting it out. So have a practice on your new ones, taking it off, putting it on, so that when it's on the van you know exactly how to do it. Remove that clip and then just drop the ball off there, like that. Do that with both, because obviously you'll have these balls already on your Pop Top. So now, once the balls are removed, this is basically ready to fit. You may find that you might not be able to actually fit it because it's a slightly bit too long, because even with your Pop Top full extended, it may be still compressed 10mm and you won't be able to push it. So what you'll have to do is put the ratchet strap round the balls at the end, and then ratchet strap it in and keep doing it till it's the height that you need, until you can clip it on the van yourself. Open the Pop Top up and prop it up. So with that propped up, you can now fit the new strut. So with your ratcheted strap, clip that one in, make sure they're both in, and then release that. So making sure they're on, you now clip your two little holding pins in, then job done. Right, so that's the end of this one. Thanks for watching guys. I hope it's going to help you do your own on your own. What do you want me to do next? Comment in the comments box below. Anything you want help with, any ideas you've got. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.